5 seriously delicious and clean homemade popsicles. You're never too old for popsicles. Just skip the sugar water variety you consumed as a kid and make your own whole food-based frozen treats. Really, it's way easier than you think, as long as you have a popsicle mold like this one. These 5 recipes, infused with fruits, coconut milk, tea, and even veggies, deliver big flavor, loads of nutrients, and minimal sugar. Roasted blueberries and cream matcha popsicles. We've never crushed so hard on a popsicle before. This blend of blueberries, coconut milk, avocado, honey, matcha powder, and sea salt from the gorgeous blog with food and love is deliciously creamy while still offering fun texture from whole roasted blueberries. In addition to the berries, matcha, a green tea powder, also delivers a potent dose of health-boosting antioxidants. Get the recipe here. Strawberry watermelon popsicles. What says summer better than this fruity combo? This blend of watermelon, strawberries, and lime zest from one lovely life is insanely refreshing, easy to make, and low in sugar. And did we say easy? Just blend your ingredients and pour into a popsicle mold. Get the recipe here. Pea and spinach green smoothie popsicle. Now, before you get weirded out by the veggie-heavy title, hear us out. This superfood pop from My Fussy Eater is seriously tasty. With a blend of spinach, banana, and frozen peas, and with a Greek yogurt and chia seed coating, this pop delivers vitamins, antioxidants, protein, and healthy plant-based omega-3 fats. Bonus, kids love it. Get the recipe here. Coconut strawberry swirl pops, strawberries and cream. Anyone? This sweet frozen treat from DeliciousHomemade features coconut milk, ripe strawberries, and a touch of honey, maple syrup, or stevia, making it the perfect summer dessert for your paleo pals, or anyone cutting out dairy. Get the full recipe here. Watermelon and kiwi pops. Want to impress some guests? Make these little beauties created by Matt at the blog Real Food by Dad. They're gorgeous, those colors, delicious, and deceptively easy. Just add sliced kiwi to popsicle molds, then fill with blended watermelon and freeze. Ah, summer in a pop. Get the recipe here.